Goodie to my future employer. My name is Nisel Cepeda, 39 years of age, from Philippines. I have 6 children, ages 22, 20, 18, 15, 13, and 10 years old. My first experience to work abroad in Saudi Arabia since 2018 to 2020. My main duties is cleaning the house, wash the clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, sometimes car washing. My second experience in Abu Dhabi since 2021 to 2025. I served 7 family members of the family, including Madam and Sir. My main duties is preparing the kids, going to school, making their food. After that, I'm making my household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. To my future employer, if you're giving me a chance to work with your family, I promise I'm loyal, honest, fast learning, and I will do my best. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.